Let me tell you some man.
Sit down. From the left, I'm sit down.
Hip enough. If you're not with the times enough, if you like, going out to them party and really, if it's something where you have an issue with, because you don't do that. Because you can't do it. Because your job, you're never going to do it. The party them you go to, it's not that they have to be assignment jobs, but you have to be more corporate looking functions where you can contain yourself and you can still walk around you because you still always have to be aware of your surroundings. So you will never be the person who just, if you're in like a corporate party and you set up the one corner, you can go out with your team. But you will never be the person who will go out every night. But that is not what you want either. You get what I say? So she just want to know if you feel like you're being held back or if you're the party going type and really want to do more of that, but you don't want to do it because you figure say she can't do it. But you accept her and you accept what she do as well. Know that you know, and you know so that is never going to be it. So you have fun when you go out, but you're not the every night, every week kind of thing. But you just want to know if she would have a problem if you go out by yourself or go out with your friend and for all the vibe. And she ever tell you, say, absolutely not. Because that is a part of trusting you, it's a part you just know. Say you have a woman in your yard, so there are certain things just like that. For she that is still pretty innocent. You're there and everybody do them thing and you have a dance with a girl that's pretty innocent. But you must always be aware of the fact that you have a woman and camera is one of the most prominent things we're seeing people nowadays. And phone. So when there is no phone, always remember, there's a satellite over your head. You get what I say? If you drive, go somewhere, and your woman seriously want to know, and she in that kind of business, you should bring up satellite images. Like everything everywhere we're going, there's a satellite over our head that picks up where we are, where we go. It's a part of them worldwide surveillance. So all of the things that we are doing, if people for really dig in our lives and can tell you who we're there, who we're there with, because from your outside of your car, from in the ear, satellite and pick up your license plate.
How in our house?
Not in your house. Well, in your house, yes.
Yeah.
From you have a smart TV in your house. You realize that when you turn off your television, a light come on.
The red light.
Right. So why is a light on in your television when you turn it off?
I don't know.
That's why. Because there are cameras in them. There are cameras in them and they pick up sound and they pick up action. So when them tell you so they can broadcast your whole life. If somebody want to broadcast your whole life, there are people that can truly broadcast your whole life. It's just that if you're not a threat to the society, then they don't need to dig up your file, but they can dig up your file and make you see things when you never know. Say, oh shit, and they watch myself. Oh, that's naked in the house right there. So oh, we have sex right there. So everything.
Yeah, them can
never just know.
Because one time them like in the work country when them send out the UAV, UAV can pick up how much people
in our house.
In our house with a thermal.
And that is why with technology, always remember say the technology that we're using now is about the technology it's with your phone, you know. Your phone record the things that you're saying. So it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. You try to get cagey now, cause a whole patterns out there already.
You have some people use them laptop and them always have tape over it.
Yeah. But it's still recording what you say, and most of the time, when you can tell somebody say that image look blurry and on me, you can't run your voice. And you alone have your voice. So
We get catch.
You have to just know, say, if you don't become a threat to society, then nobody have to begin to what you do. But once you become a threat, that is when, and then do it for a reason. Then do it.
If they want to listen, they want to listen, then they can
Pull it up.
pull
They
it up.
just pull it up and say, turn on the camera and then you hear them say.
Let's have to go and do the right thing,
And the
huh?
location thing is a sham because the massive we like half a location. I mean say half. The location half is
Yeah.
is
From you have certain things in your house that it is designed to have certain things to invade your privacy. People who don't know love stuffed toys and really has stuffed toys. So them study you and know the things where you like and then just start build it. Why you think you can go in some dollar store and get some nice cheap things? Because a part of the surveillance technique, them just want to make sure that the whole world, the people who rule are the minority.